and Cheek Intrude. My goal was to make a digital Rochambeau game in Python and Cheek Intrude. Now, familiar? The design of the Rochambeau game was packed in Cheek Intrude. When the user pressed rock, paper, or scissors, the code would make a random number generator guess. The guess would be either win, tie, or lost. The image would change according to the guess. This is what I wrote for the program. For the program, it's just what each one does. So when I put in, when the person would put in tie, this is the either responses that would happen. Same for locking, same for picking. I tested this like probably way too many times than I should have. It's probably like 100-ish. What do you think? I would improve the user interface by changing the size and images of the text. That's probably what I would have done. And now we get to play. So now I'm going to run it. So as you can see here, we have rock, paper, and scissors. So when I pressed scissors, I got a loss because the computer did rock. Now I'll press paper and I still got a loss because the computer did scissors. Maybe we'll get lucky with rock. Hey, I got lucky because now I got a win because the computer did scissors. Let's see if I can get a tie. Oh yeah, I got a tie because the computer did paper. And so, yeah, that's my code.
Any questions? You have a question.
Okay.
What was your favorite part of the project?
Favorite quote? Probably getting the images. That was probably the best quote. Any other ones?
Alright, everyone give him a round of applause.
Yeah.